Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a file explorer crashing or freezing when create a new folder in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all right click on start menu and go to your task manager. So open a task manager and after that find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Click on restart button. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a msconfigure. Type a msconfig and open a system configurations. After that, go to your services and click on a hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, click on apply and click on OK button. After that, restart your computer. After restarting your computer, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a control panel. Open a control panel. Find out or click on a troubleshooting. Click on run maintenance task. After that, click on next button. Click on try troubleshoot as an administrator. After that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space / scan now and press enter. After that, the process will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete this. After that, type a command is dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and press enter. After completing that, type exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button, select the ISO file, click on next button, save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section. So open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my case is my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.